viewers, welcome back to Shimi's Kitchen. Today I'm making pink sauce pasta in just 20 minutes. This pink sauce pasta is so creamy and it's just exploding the flavor. It's so easy to make and it would be perfect for kids' lunchbox or for a last minute dinner idea that everyone in the family will love. So here is how to make it. Let's begin. Bismillah. Add 2 tablespoons butter in a pan. Melt it nicely. And next I'm adding 1 teaspoon minced garlic. Add 1 chopped onion. Saute till it becomes translucent. Goes in half teaspoon salt. Mix it up nicely. And next I'm adding 1 cup tomato puree or tomato sauce. If tomato puree is not available, you can use tomato sauce. Give this a very nice mix. Goes in 1 teaspoon oregano. Cook this for a minute. And next I'm adding half cup chicken stock. If chicken stock is not available, add 1 chicken cube in hot boiling water. Make a stock with that cube and add it. Add half cup milk. Goes in half cup cream. Mix nicely. And now I'm adding 1 cup grated mozzarella cheese. Give this a very nice mix. And to this I'm adding 1 bowl boiled and cooked pasta. Mix it up nicely and sprinkle some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Cook this for a minute and then I'm going to switch off the flame. And your 20-minute pink sauce pasta is ready to serve. Give this a try and let me know how it turned out for you. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press the little bell icon. See you with more amazing and delicious recipes. Till then, take care and have a nice day.